everyone, welcome to our channel Knowledge of Friends. सब्सक्राइब टू our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. आज हम लोग क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग की क्लास डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. द क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग नंबर इज़ योर 87. आज 87th क्लास हमारा क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग का. इससे पहले ऑलरेडी हमने 86 क्लासेस कर लिया है. सो प्लीज़ गो थ्रू विद ऑल द क्लासेस विच वी हैड डन. एंड अगर आप हमारा चैनल फर्स्ट टाइम देख रहे हो तो प्लीज़ हमारे चैनल को लाइक और शेयर करो. प्लीज़ हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो सो दैट हमारी जो भी वीडियोज़ है वो आपके पास सबसे पहले पहुँचे. एंड अगर आपको हमारी वीडियोज़ अच्छी लगे तो प्लीज़ हमारे वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करो सो दैट ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग के पास वीडियो पहुँचे और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग इसका यूटिलाइजेशन कर सकें. आज जो हम डिस्कस करेंगे वो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ पास दैट इज़ योर प्लेटफॉर्म एज सर्विसेज की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स को डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. सो एज आई सेड कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ पास जो है उसमें वो 4 या 5 पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड है. तो रन टाइम फ्रेमवर्क को आज डिस्कस करेंगे एज वेल एज द एब्स्ट्रैक्शन जो आपका कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है प्लेटफॉर्म एज सर्विसेज का, उसको हम फुली डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. देन वी कंटिन्यू विद द नेक्स्ट क्लास फॉर द नेक्स्ट ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टीज. सो हियर यू कैन सी दैट द रन टाइम फ्रेमवर्क, this is the software stack aspects of PasS and perhaps the aspects that comes first to mind for the most people. The PasS runtime framework execute and user code according to the policies set as an application owner and the cloud provider as well. So you can see that for the software stack aspects of PasS, if I'm talking about, so there are they are the aspects of they comes to the mind for the most important people. The platform runtime framework execute the user code according to the policies set by the application owner and the cloud provider as well. PasS runtime framework come in many flavors. जो PasS runtime framework होता है वो बहुत अलग अलग तरह से आता है, अलग अलग फ्लेवर्स में आता है. जैसे लाइक some based on the traditional application runtime, कुछ ऐसे होते हैं जो traditional application runtime पे based होते हैं, and the other are based on the 4GL and the visual programming concept, and some with the pluggable support for the multiple application runtime. So those the things in the form the user is required, and according to that they are useful. Next, moving on with the abstraction. Okay, I will discuss all the characteristic of PasS in today's class only. So you can go through once at a time. So the next is your So the abstraction was platform-oriented cloud platform are distinguished by the higher level of abstraction they provide. With infrastructure as a services, the focus is on developing to the users raw access to the physical or virtual infrastructure. In contrast with PasS, the flavors that the focus is on the application that the cloud must support. Whereas in the IaaS, that is infrastructure as services, cloud gives the user a bunch of virtual machines that must be configured and to be which application component must be deployed. PasS cloud provides the user made to develop the application into a seemingly limitless pool of the computing resource, eliminating the complexity of the deployment and the infrastructure configuration. Where abstraction is something that which we can hide of the information, and that was given to the particular one that what they are required for, and the use they can use that particular the data by differently and purposely with a privacy limited. Moving on to the next one, that we have a third point that is the characteristic of the PasS of third. So the third point we have is automation, and the fourth characteristic of PasS is your cloud services. So for the respect of automation, the PasS environment automate the process of deployment the application to the infrastructure, configuring the application component, provisioning and configuring the supporting technology and the like as balances and database with the managing system change based on the policy set as by the user. The fourth is your cloud services, that is PasS provides a development and the architect with the services and APIs that help to simplify the job of delivering the elastically scalability. These are the applications that were delivering the elasticity scalable highly available cloud application. Their cloud services provide a wide variety of capabilities, key differentiations amongst them compelling the PasS offering. So that what we had discussed in this that the characteristic of the PasS, the four characteristic we had discussed Okay, so next moving on with the vendors providing the PaaS cloud platform or cloud computing platform. तो vendors क्या provide करते हैं PaaS के as respect to the cloud computing platform, that what we have to discuss, and these are as follows. So the vendors providing the PaaS cloud computing platform as was the Google Apps Engine, जिसे हम Google's App Engine कहते हैं, जिसे हम GAE बोलते हैं in short, Google's App Engine. Salesforce.com, second vendors that providing the PaaS, that is platform as services, cloud computing platform, that was first is your Google App Engine, GAE, and then Salesforce.com, Windows, Azure, AppFog, OpenShift, Cloud Foundry from VMware. So these are the 6 vendors providing the platform as services as cloud computing platform. So you can go through with all the points and all the classes which we had discussed till the date, where in today's class we had discussed the characteristics of platform as services as well as the vendors providing from the platform as services cloud computing platform. So class आज के लिए इतना ही. Thank you. Hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion on a comment box. Thank you.